Finally made it. Big Manistee River. Once again, loaded up. Every compartment. 2 coolers. Got the tubes to pull it. We'll have more gear on it, the Pine River one or this. There's a lot of stuff.
Looks better.
Yeah, the other one is a little bit wild. Yeah. But yeah, we should be the only ones on the river today. All the thunderstorms are done. Oh yeah, little eagle up there. About to get these on. We only got about 2.5 hours before dark. As usual, looking for the free campsites. All right, we're gonna get them in and crack us a beer.
Time for the beers.
A toast to kayak trip down the
Yeah,
Manistee
baby.
River.
Thank you, Lord. No storms. Cheers it. All right, David. Let's go.
Ready? Here we go.
All right,
Let's get some bears.
just launched. 1:31 was the drop off. It's right by the freeway. We got 13, supposedly 13 hours down back to the canoe place, and then they said it's 55 miles. It's a record for, I think, all 3 of us. They're still back there. I gotta wait a second. Cold water, and there ain't gonna be no one out here. Not till tomorrow. So far, so good. It's definitely not super rough like the pine. Beautiful though. They were saying we're not going to see any houses until we get past Baxter Bridge, I believe. So we got roughly 4 hours to that, but I don't know if we're going to make it that far, because it'll be dark here a little bit. Beef's back there having fun. David's on his phone taking snap. What are you doing, Snapchat? You can hear that beef. 12-foot kayak. Didn't bring my own. Actually, a lot more comfortable. The sun came out. Feels great for 69 degrees. A little cold for August. This feels great. Perfect. Oh, you almost got that rock? Man. So far, I'm liking this river. Technically the second bridge after 131. It looks pretty cool. What a beef. Don't smell nothing. There's a good photo right there. That's cool. Yeah, left my sunglasses. Been about an hour. Looks like the first decent campsite, except for a very high pull-up. Make it work if we had to, but we gotta get some miles on us. Tomorrow's gonna be a long day. Yeah, that ain't bad. Just be a tough pull-up. If it was like 8 o'clock, 8:30, I would do it. I wonder what this is. Old US 131 State Campground. Real campground if you really needed to. Of course we're gonna pass. There you go, Beef. Nope, we need something better. We need something better. No people. Bridge for the trains. That's pretty sweet. There's the Beef, finally. Trying to help David out. Got a bridge up here for the train. Can't even see it, so bright. Hey Beef, what are those up there? Are those turkeys?
Yeah, those turkeys.
Got 3 of them.
Wow. See the turkeys, David? Oh,
All
yeah.
right, get your bow.
You could have a turkey dinner.
David, you can go down that dune.
Yeah? I didn't bring my board though.
Just go down there on your kayak.
You'd have to unload it.
Hey, what about that? There's a campsite right here. It's awfully shady, like you said, but we can give him more time, I guess. But that's a good campsite for pulling out. Pull that up easy. It's nice and sandy right here. And no sun. Yeah, that would be a good one. Keep it going. Almost 7:45. Gotta find us a campsite here before dark. Thin picking so far. Try not to be right in the dark with the sunlight. Desperation times, Beef. There ain't no campsites. We were told there's many and I've only seen a couple. It'll be dark in 30 to 45 minutes. Pray we find one, like you said, Beef, and get it.
What about right here?
You want to check it?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, maybe something. We're gonna go walk up here and check it out.
Looks like some flat land up here. And the grass isn't too tall.
Desperation time. If it ain't good, I guess still got a little bit, maybe 30 minutes before dark. Somebody else definitely used this spot before. It's not the best site, but I mean, we can make it work.
It was pretty good up here.
Wow.
Can make it work if we had to, which we might have to. Another fire one up here. Someone else had a fire. Plenty of wood around here too. I don't know, let's talk about it. Might have to do this. Well, what are you guys thinking?
I'm fine with it.
Yeah, it's getting late, so we don't know how much further we'd go to find another.
Yeah.
Plus it's low grass, it's flat.
We're gonna put 2 tents. One over that way maybe. One over here.
If you're too tense, you just gotta relax.
Yeah. You and Roni are gonna have a cuddle session?
A cuddle session? What are you talking
You and the
about?
beef. Is there any Widowmakers to get us? Like the Cut River?
Oh, this one.
You gonna come down and get us?
Need to find the forest, babes.
Alright. Alright, so we doing this, I guess?
Yeah.
It's a little rough, but we can manage.
I'm up for it if you guys are.
Well, time-wise, I guess we're kind of stuck.
Well,
We can make it do.
plenty of logs laying around.
Oh, yeah. A little muddy. Well, here's what we got. Tomorrow night, we're going to have a badass one. This one's going to have to do. This baby real nice. Real nice, Clark.
Whoa. It's getting so. Oh,
Beef!
What?
Beefed!
What's he talking about?
it looks like it's getting close to your hand.
Oh. Shove it right up the middle.
That's what she said.
Is it for you?
Actually, it smells good.
That was mine.
Oh. You think his beef
I almost
smells
took a
good?
drag out of your lighter. Anybody want a celebration?
Only
whatever
2 there. I need to get my other ones. Time for the El Capone. Victory cigar.
Indeed.
El Capone. Now try to get some wet wood going.
Can you hold it?
I quit drinking this shit.
You wish you could drink a bush latte.
It looks dirty as hell. Would you get mud all over it?
Mm-hmm.
Lighter. Something looks messed up. Is this
Need some help?
something looks crisscrossed or something? Maybe this is this side. Oh yeah, see?
Me and Giggler on that one tonight.
Looks like a
Just gotta put the tarp on now.
oh, maybe one of them was supposed to go through there.
It'll still be alive.
Don't be what?
It'll still be alive. It's alright.
Eagle got us frog legs for dinner.
Roasted. Over the fire. Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, that's a hot fire. I can still feel it from here. Well, it ain't cold. Big time.
I can feel it from here.
Oh, giggle. Alright, time for some stories, Beef. We gotta wait till dark. Got the bear spray, just in case. We're told there's some black bears around here. Not afraid though, right, David?
Never.
David has his 22 loaded. Got the bear spray. And Beef has some beef.
What's David's hairspray gonna do?
His hairspray. Radio works out here. Many stations. Not many good ones, but can't beat this one. Uncle Beef is breaking a record. He's cooking a kielbasa. Foot-long kielbasa on a stick. And David is putting his little wiener, little 4-inch hot dog. Alright. Is it raw in the middle?
No, it's fucking like burnt everywhere.
I can't believe that thing hasn't fallen off. It's like a foot long.
You didn't put your hot dog like the stick up the middle. You just
Making some steaks now. I think they're gonna save their steaks for tomorrow, but I'm making mine tonight. Yeah, the stupid package started leaking in some water, so As soon as I saw that, I'm making mistakes. Well, Caesar salad or just go with some Chex Mix, I guess. Sure away a little bit. Pizza Lunchables while I wait on my steak. Desperate times. As it starts to rain. Just leaving the first night site. I'm gonna go down at least 4, 5, 6 hours, depending. What is it? Almost noon already, right?
Yeah, last time I looked was 11:40.
Late start. No rain and low 80s today. A little further down, that one looks real good too. Yeah, this would probably be better off just for hanging out. Someone else already had a fire up there. Yeah, I don't know where you put the tents either. Unless you put them on a hill. Yeah. Big log coming. Don't hit the bottom. They're good. Thought we were gonna get stuck. First house we've seen so far on the river. Look like they could use a new dock. Coming up on the van life down by the river. Some good stuff. We gotta figure out how to get up there ourselves. It's a beaver. Going after you, Giggle. That's a big old beaver. It's coming along for the journey. Yeah. I don't know. I think that's what it is, a beaver. Want to catch it for dinner? Oh, there he goes, going underwater. Yep. I see horses and I don't know, is there a cow over there too? Or is it all horses? That's a little random, ain't it? There's like 3. There's another one back that way. There's one back there too. I saw 1 cow. Must be a house or a farm up there or something. Very hidden. Look at up there, there's another one. They're just hanging out. Wild cows and horses, yeah. Look at that big one right there too. That's a big old cow. It has a tag 10 on it. Wasn't expecting to see that on the river. Get some more cows. Hopefully I don't try to come take a dip. Sorry to break up your dinner. Moo! Well, there's some people up there too. Baxter Bridge, 37 minutes. Harvey Bridge, 7 hours. Texas, I don't know what that other stuff says. Yeah, I thought we would have been to Baxter by now. You might want to turn around, Dave. There's some sticks up here.
Is this Baxter Bridge right here?
Yep, Baxter Bridge, State Forest Campground. Probably further around corner. You want to go there, Beef? You want to stay there tonight? I'll try to get some lunch in us here. Yeah, if it's shallow enough, we'll try to stop up there. Little rough, Giggle. Rock's gonna get him. Finally a few houses on the water. There's only been a couple so far. Giggle, lost it. There goes your beer too. Man, this is a badass spot. Real good. Already fire ready. Good view. We gotta go down at least another hour or two, otherwise Sunday is gonna be many hours. Yeah, this is badass. Like literally, this is awesome. 5 o'clock. Is it too early to stop? This is badass.
This might be tough to find a better one.
Just sucks because then tomorrow we're gonna have like probably 6 hours at least down. Be a lot of, you know what I mean?
And you wouldn't be able to sleep until 11:30.
And I have to get up early. I don't know, might have to pass just because of the time, but this is pretty damn sweet.
Yeah, there's lots of ferns to put down under the tent too. Make it more comfortable on your back.
Yeah. Giggler got stuck on the log. I warned you. You still suck? Rope swing. Might check it out. See if it's a decent spot up there. It's a little bit of a high pull up, huh? Is it worth checking out?
I would say so.
Beef, you want to check it out or keep going? Well, the fact there's a rope swing, it might be worth it. Yeah, go to the left where it's really sandy. Park up there. That wouldn't be terrible to bring the coolers up. It's really flat up there, it looks like. Been going at it for over another hour. Every decent spot's been taken. I might go up here and check this one, even though there's people probably about, I don't know, a couple 100 yards back the other way. They're both back there taking a leak. This one might be something. Since I have time, I'll check it out. Sandy and mucky, no. Heck no, I don't think. $7:30. I'll try this one out.
Coming hot. Look your leg.
He's gonna get me with his muddy leg. Oh. Good. Go check her out.
I'm not getting out until you check it.
Whoa. Super flat. Well, we found home. It's good. Big old fire pit right here. This looks good. There might not be a lot of firewood, but I don't know. Getting desperate. I think this looks pretty good to me. Just gotta figure out what to do with the kayaks. Unless when I pull them all up, it's a lot of work. It's nice and flat for our tents, but like I said, I don't really see a lot of firewood.
This is terrible. Yeah, there's a couple logs right here.
Yeah, someone left some stuff.
Okay.
Just be a lot of searching.
Come on.
David's shitting his pants.
Looks like they put it out in the water.
What do you guys think? Just because of the time.
It's good. Just to crawl up the hills, kind of.
It's not terrible for.
Have to have like a handoff, you know.
That's fine.
But leave the kayaks on the beach.
They might come down. Wake up to they're gone.
Oh, we can pull them up higher. We're not going to bring them all the way up here.
Yeah.
That's what you want to do? Bring them all the way up?
I don't know. You think they'd be safe down there like that?
I don't see anyone else doing that.
Doing what? Leaving them on down
I got
there?
paracord, we can tie them up. I got rope and paracord, we can tie them just in case. One cooler down, one to go. A little workout. Teamwork. Oh. Well, thanks. Heavy bag, I know it. Oh, jeez. I need shoes on. No good. They're up here pretty good, but if we were to wake up and they were all downriver, gonna be in some trouble. So I'm gonna tie them all together real quick, just in case. Good old paracord. Got them all tied up to that little branch. A root, it ain't going nowhere. Nice view for now. Got the sun for a little bit. Desperate times. Almost 7:45. Go get camp set up now.
Oh, you didn't record that, did you?
Oh yeah. Got the fire going. Guys are doing steaks.
Some nice logs.
I think I'm doing beer brats because I did a steak last night. Giggle's drinking water.
This is your
Good
property?
boy. Huh?
That person said this is their property.
Oh yeah. Camping out on private property. Well, we have heard some four-wheelers back there in the trails. Not bad. This will do. What did you say it was? Almost 70?
Yep.
People need a beer? The High Life. Where's the Beef's beer?
Over there, the White Life.
Light Life. Miller Light. Baby. Shots fired, Giggle.
Bring out the
Still down in Detroit.
Bring out the machete.
I don't have one.
Oh.
I got bear spray and a knife. That's all our defense.
Alright. And we got Roni's Hulk-like skills.
Roni is the man.
He's got a stick.
the fire going real nice.
He's been doing them squats lately. He's got sunburnt legs.
Yeah. And I got that random, wait, where that little rashes was going away from me.
Ooh.
I don't know if it was poison ivy or what.
Is it on your other foot?
No, it's this one. It's fading away.
Ooh.
Guess I'm good to go.
What's fading away?
Whatever that red marks I had all over my leg.
Ooh.
Good stuff. Beef's getting his steaks going.
Beefsteaks.
Beefsteaks. David has his. Big boy.
Yes, sir.
Looking good. Caesar salad also. Bacon Caesar. Stars are really good tonight too. Uncle Beef already went to bed a little after 10. Giggler over there playing on his phone. Real chill, relaxed night. Last night on the Big Manistee. It's been a while since I found firewood. Day 3. Gotta get packed up and get the heck out of here. Giggle, giggle.
Brought to you by Green Goodness.
Getting everything packed up. Make sure you bring out all the cans. Don't leave no trash. Put out that fire like Smokey the Bear. Got 3.5 hours down the river. Back to the canoe place. Still here. What time is it? About 10:30? About to hit it. Pushing off. Last day adventure. Going backwards. Another really good one right there. And another good one. Come on, Giggle, go check it out. It looks really dark, don't it? It looks cool. Finally, some more people out here. Everybody's wrapping up their trips, probably. Picnic table up there, just like the ensemble. Yeah, it looked like a picnic table or something. That's pretty sweet. Probably some of the fastest water we've seen yet. It's been all slow. Remind me of the Pine a little bit. Oh, damn. First time I got drenched on this trip. Whoa. Literally the first time. Made it to the old bridge. Don't know what it is, but supposedly 2 more hours down to the place from here. This has to be the old bridge. Cone Family Nature Preserve. Kayak area. Pulled off to check out another spot. Giggle giggles. Yeah, this will have been a cool one. We're almost done though.
We would have got fresh water.
Fresh water right there. Yeah, not bad. I think we made it. See a bunch of canoes and kayaks up there. It's definitely taking longer than I thought. Yep, finally made it. Wilderness Canoe.